Investigation of simple straight run of stairs by Revit. So we'll draw a Revit stairs, and it clicks draw. It means it's going to draw 3 feet off of a center line set up at 0. So I go this way, it means the stairs are going up. If I stretch it, it will stop drawing the stairs at 18 risers because it's going to take that floor to floor height and divide it for you. Let's investigate it through cross-section and a reference plane. First, let's check and accept that set of stairs. Then we like to create a reference plane. Let's do the reference plane against this edge. Name that reference plane as your stairs. Let us draw a section cut line parallel to that and go to the cross section and investigate. So let us first investigate the riser height. If we pick the stairs, it will say 7-inch maximum. Let's find out what that entails. Our floor-to-floor height is 10 feet. 10 times 12 inches, 120 inches. That's not divisible by 7. So it's going to give us some number that's slightly less than 7 inches. Let us figure out what that number is. As I come close and I measure, I can annotate if I want to, or I can measure, whichever you like. So I'm going to measure from that point to this point. It doesn't like it, so I'm going to measure it this way. From that junction to this junction, it's 6, a little bit under 7, right? Now, I'm going to measure the tread. So I measured the distance from here to here. It's 1 foot. But remember, the actual distance is right there, which is just a little over 10 inch. As long as it's more than 10, I'm okay. I can set it up to be exactly 10 inches. So this is the way it's done. Now, let's investigate the top. It appears that it's not hitting the top. But let us draw some lines to understand it. So I'm going to draw some model line. And it says from where, and I want to do it from stairs, and I'm okay. So I want to draw literally this silhouette, okay? So I'm going to pick, I'm going to draw this line, that edge, this edge, this edge, one last one. It's this one, I need to trim it. All right, so that's the line that I just drew. Now I would like to copy that line, those lines, copy them. From this tip, let us look very close to this tip. Now you can actually see, notice how I'm literally on top of the line. It's just assuming that there's a floor here. It may or may not take this shape. Therefore, it is correct. Now let's investigate the height of the railing. The height of the railing is measured from the tip straight on to here. It's 3 feet. That's the railing height. I want it to be less, and we can actually change that. All right, now let's backtrack. I'm picking that railing, and it's going to allow me to change it. Right now, the railing height is 3 feet. I would like to edit the railing height to less than that. So that's definitely something I like to do. Railing height, we said maximum is 38 inches for residential. So I can certainly change that, and it would lower it. So that's one way to do it. I can also change this eventually. Now let's come back and actually start investigating the stairs. So if I pick that, it will tell me that this is the max and minimum. I figured out what the actual riser and the tread were. I can certainly change the 711 to something else, and I can change the minimum width. Now I can come here, and it's about construction of it, the detailing, the nosing and the riser detailing. All right. Then it comes here, and it talks about the support. So basic calculation, the detailing of the riser and the tread, and the support system, whether I have stringer or the carriage. and I will talk about that later. This is just giving you a quick understanding of how the stairs are drawn. So I'm going to go back to level 1. Now I'm going to draw another set of stairs just to give you another understanding of how we draw stairs. Stairs, refined straight run of stairs, right? Now watch. This time I'm just going to put it at 1.5 feet. All right? Now look, it's going from the side. So I draw it, it gives me that. Check it. Now watch. Now I'm going to draw another one. All right, set of stairs. This time I'm going to keep this one 0, but I'm going to go here and I'm going to go from the exterior left support, which means it's my wall. Okay, so I'm going to go from here and keep stretching it. Now here you can actually see as I pick it, you can see that it drew it from that side. I'm going to draw it one more time. Let's check. Okay, so stairs, left support 3 feet. You see how it's from the wall side, not the railing, because the 3 feet does not include the railing, and that allows me to do this.